How's it going, everyone? We're on the ibiza today. We're going to be here trying to prep it all now and clean all the interior, tidy up the bodywork a bit, ready for sale because it's all up and running now. Years MOT on it, so obviously might as well shift it. Got to clean this out a bit. Buckets in there, clean all that. It's been sitting for such a long time. I'll be glad when it actually goes. As you can see, the interior is pretty scummy because I've been using it as a shed. Needs a good old clean. Where's the engine bay? Let's just get that open. The wheels are a bit dirty. I'll see if we clean them up a bit better. A little bit of lacquer peel there, we just need to sand down. A bit of wet and dry. I need to touch these up. I need to get some alloy touch-up pen because they're a bit grim. That one's all good. And now let's just put the bonnet. Engine's not too bad actually. It's just a bit scummy around all this. So I'll clean all that up so it all looks good. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll crack on with that now. And yeah, speak to you soon, guys. Much better. I can go in and out and keep getting bloody bits on it, which is annoying, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Right, now I'll do the outside. Right, car's all done. It's all polished, nice and shiny, as you can see. Just go around it now. Just got to still put that little badge on there. There's a dent here which is annoying, which I can't get out. It's so much nicer now, it's all polished. Cleaned up really well. You've seen inside, so inside's quite clean. There you go, there's all the badgy bits I've got to glue on in a minute. The interior's all nice. Done 44,000 miles, as you already know. Runs sweet as anything now. Starts every time. Give it a run loads of times. So now we can sell it. Hopefully we get a nice tidy profit out of this one, and then we can buy the next one. And then I'll show you all the numbers and everything once I've sold it. So we can go from there. And then what I'll do is you'll see the next car I buy, which I haven't actually found yet because obviously I want to sell this, because the whole idea was to sell this to then buy another one and see how far we can end up. Hopefully we can end up like, you know, at least 20 grand or something, but it all takes time because obviously everyone's buying cars, but to get a car for a good price is bloody impossible.